Now open the box.
What's cooking, everybody? Wilfredo the Porkchop here. We got ourselves an acquisition here, a secret acquisition. Because the thing is, I don't know what this is. This is a gift there from my buddy jtomaly9681 here. I don't know what he sent me. Sneaky. Didn't even give me a tracking number or anything, so I have no clue what it is here, except it's a box instead of a bag. So let's check it out and let's see what is inside. Let's open the box. Alright, here we go. Porkchop! Nailed it. Oh, nice clean cut. Alright, let's see what we got here. You sneaky man, you. What the heck did you do? Oh my god. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, this is a Nintendo 64 controller. Well, it is an N64 controller, but it's in the same style as an N64 controller. Obviously, it's not branded here, as you can clearly see at the box here. This is in black, which I don't think I've ever had a black N64 controller of any flavor here, honestly. Buttons feel good. Feels like a one-on-one copy here. I got this. I wonder if they solved the issue with that here. And we got a spare little stick here in the middle. Let's see. And that feels good. Triggers. Keypad. It doesn't feel exactly the same, but this is close. Then again, most games I don't really use that too much. I mostly use this, but because my hands are kind of big, I'm able to grab this and use the thumb to be like whatever, and you know, so it works out pretty nicely, all things considered. Alright, and it's USB, so I'm hoping this will be compatible with my Nintendo Switch. Otherwise, it'll definitely be compatible with emulators and things like that, and it's good to always have a spare one of these if need be here. And this feels pretty good. The little textured rubbery things here kind of keep this in place here. And it has that same sort of like hexagon-ish shape or whatever. Okay, so yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, so whenever I play Mario 64 and things like that, when I get around to playing more N64 games, I'll be ready to go. Alright. I guess this is for the Rumble Pack. I don't think this has any kind of connection, because I don't see any internal thingamacritters in here for connecting anything in there. So I guess this is just primarily for the Switch. Alright, so here we are. So I want to give a shout out to my friend jtomaly9681. He does Let's Plays, he does Twitch streams, so you can follow him right here. And his info will be in the description below, or you can check him out there. Alright, so this is a 64 classic controller N64. I like the box art there, it's pretty nice. Of course, there's no indicator here as to which color it is, but who cares what the color is? As long as it works, it'll be better than what I was using before, because on my Super Mario 64 stream, I was struggling a little bit because I was trying to get used to the controls. But this one, I have like muscle memory, so if this maps to the same configuration as the original, I'll be golden, and then I'll be able to move around a lot. I mean, my gameplay may not improve much, but at least I won't have any issues as a result of the controls, you know? I'll be ready to go. Alright. I'll catch you in the next one, alright? Laters.